Sometimes we women didn't bring the sanitary pad for emergency. So
Yes.
with this sharing box, it helps us to prepare.
Yeah, so what are your suggestions about these activities not at present?
I think this activity can make it more important by having this campaign to the
Reading back out of it.
Wow,
So thank you. I hope sharing box will be everywhere.
sorry. Thank you.
Hi, hello, I'm Fuhuan, you can call me Fu, and welcome to my channel. This video is for my reflection of the project, and I'll share my understanding of the leadership, what I have learned, and second, my experience of the project, and third, my future expectation of myself. So first, the leadership is the process of the influencing others to understand and agree about what needs to be done and how to do it, and the process of the facilitating individual and collective efforts to accomplish the shared objectives, right? So yeah, it is very official opening, I guess. It sounds like AI, right? But honestly, throughout the course of the course and during the project of practices, my understanding of this perception of leadership have been refreshed, and my greatest insight is first, focus on process, ensuring the continuous improvements for the greater efficiency and effectiveness. Second, focus on the people, understand their needs, understand your followers' strengths and supporting them, give their strengths, give their confidence. And the third, focusing on the situation, because adapting your leadership style to fit the any context, whether it's directively, collaboratively, or motivationally. So the fourth is focus on your inner power, building the leadership chasma that inspires the loyalty and the commitment, and where people naturally follow you and listen to you. Okay, now let's move on to the next part. I think whether you are a task-oriented leadership or relationship-oriented leadership in a case, basically the final goal of any project will be focused on the outcomes. And measuring the outcomes becomes very, very important. Why? Because the purpose of the measuring outcomes is to comprehensively evaluate the effectiveness and the impact of this subject. So in our project, my role as a recorder and a feedback manager involved, collect users' feedback and recording their experience with the sharing box. And our project is set up the sanitary pad sharing box in our factory to build a supportive campus. And measuring this result was key to evaluating the project's impact and whether it meet our goals. And along the way, I monitored the project progress and suggested adjustments when needed to ensure our team achieved the goals. So now my biggest challenge is how to measure and how to record it. It could be a tough question. So I face this question now, and I think I need to use the leadership skills we've learned from the class, right? So after combining the course content and with these practical problems, I realized that my responsibilities were directly related to the project goals. So I needed to pay more attention to the results and the improvement during the process. So this is reminding me of the past goal theory. And I try to overcome difficulties through four key leadership behaviors. So first, I need to clarify the goals. I need to measure the data records. And I think it's good for 3 weeks. And I adopted the strategy of the feedback and improvement and set a donation goal to help 50 people. It's right. And second, I need to clarify the path combine the quantitative methods such as using the record sheets, the weekly record table, and the QR code to collect the feedback, and the qualitative methods. And we can give the interview and communicate with the users and listen to their feedback. This to ensure that the evaluation method was scientific and effective. Third, I address the resources efficiency by creating a replenishment plan and schedule team members to regularly restock the sanitary pads based on their own class time. And I also boosted the team morale by sharing the user gratitude videos to highlight the project's impact. And they also think it's very powerful and it's very important for the school. And this experience taught me to blend the leadership strategies with the practical issues and enhancing the project outcomes and the team collaboration. So I would like to reflect on my performance in this project based on the 5 key indicators of the leadership effectiveness. I think I excelled in three areas. First is setting the clear goals for the team, implementing the scientific methods for the data collection, and developing an efficient supply plan for the sanitary pads, and this ensured the timely replenishment and improved the team collaboration. And sharing the positive user feedback also boosts the team's energy and inspired the team and confidence in our project significance. But however, I recognize some areas for improvements. First is insufficient planning in the project early stage lead to the resources replenishment challenges and recorded keeping confusion. And if I have the second chance, I would properize the upfront planning and detailed resources assessments, and leadership style sometimes resulted in direct feedback that overlooked the team members' feelings, I think. So potentially impacts the morale, right? I would aim to communicate more empathetic way and focusing on solutions while fostering a supportive team atmosphere. And thanks for your listening, and thank you. Bye.